Hey friend, welcome again on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will review on Technica ATH S200BT. So please watch this video till then. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. The headphones promise up to 14 hours of playback on a single charge. Recent years have seen a number of the new manufacturers get into the headphone game, but many traditionalists prefer sticking to brands that are tried and tested. Audio Technica is a Japanese audio manufacturer well known for its consumer and professional audio equipment. We recently reviewed the Audio Technica ATH-M50 Multiply BT as wireless version of the classic M15X headphones and came away impressed. Although Audio Technica best products are expensive and out of reach for the average headphone buyer, the company does have a growing range of affordable products. What is interesting is that this offering attempted to stay true to the Philippines that make the brand so popular among enthusiasts. One such product is the Audio Technica ATH S200BT which is priced at 3,990 rupees. This pair of on-air headphones promises a lot for a responsible amount of money, but how good how good is it? Audio Technica ATH S200BT design and specification. Audio Technica headphones usually follow a very specific aesthetic, and the ATH S200BT sticks to it. The headphones have a round air cups made of solid plastic with the Audio Technica logo on the outside, instantly recognizable for anyone even somewhat familiar with the headphone industry. The size of the headset means that you get on a air fit with the air cups sitting on top of your ears rather than covering them completely. This fit style has its pros and cons. In the case of these headphones, we found more cons. The clamping was a bit too strong for us and was uncomfortable on our ear. The round shape of the air cups also meant that sound insulation was a bit iffy. There was a fair amount of sound leakage when the headphones were worn, and music could be heard by other people around 3 to 4 feet away. Thus, that apart, the Audio Technica ATH-S200BT is built well and the padding is adequate considering the 3,990 rupees price. All the controls are on the left side of the headset, including a slider switch for power and buttons for volume and playback control. There is also a small indicator light for power and Bluetooth status and a micro USB port for charging the headphones. The microphone of the ATH S200BT is not visible but is present. A significant feature missing on the Audio Technica ATH-S200BT is the ability to use it as a wired headset. It is not possible to use a stereo cable for connectivity when the battery runs down. The sales package is a bit bare with just a micro USB cable to charge the headset included. Apart from the headset itself, the Audio Technica ATH S200BT has 40 dynamic drivers with a frequency response range of 5 to 32,000 Hz for connectivity. The headset uses Bluetooth 4.1 and supports only the SBC Bluetooth codec, while battery life is claimed to be 40 hours per charge.